Good morning, you beautiful people. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys doing wonderful. All right, guys. You know health is wealth, and we gotta look into our health and pay more attention to our health. So today I'm gonna make a juicer. This juicer is a real powerful juicer. This juicer help build your eyesight, help clean out your system, help build your immune system at the same time. So I'm gonna just name out the product that I'm using, and then I want to blend it and show you the result. Let's get straight to it. All right, we have beets. We have beets. We also have radish. We also have kale. We also have carrots. We also have parsley, and we also have cilantro. Okay, with this I'm gonna add a piece of, you know, this is aloes. I'm gonna squeeze a lemon inside there as well, and I'm gonna add a little turmeric to this. So this is a real super juice that you can take at least a small dose every morning, and this will help boost you, make you feel strong. If you got to go out to work, take this before you go out to work. And listen to me, once you take this, you will never want to stop, because the energy is an energy booster as well. You will never want to stop drinking it. You could add, so I know some people might not like the taste, so I recommend adding fruits like a mango, like a pineapple, pear, whatever fruit you want to add, because you're trying to get that taste. You can do, but I don't want that taste. I want everything. I just want the raw natural stuff. So I'm going to do it just like this. When you're making this drink, guys, if you got to add sugar to this drink, it's really defeating the purpose. Okay, so try to do it natural. Even though it mightn't taste the way you want to taste, just think about the benefit. All right, so let's start adding. I already washed everything because I didn't want to go through that process of gonna make the video too long. So I'm already washed everything. You ain't even got to break them up, because this blender is a very powerful blender. So the carrots, I don't take off the skin. The beet, I don't take off the skin. I have my reason. I do believe a lot of these things have a lot of nutrition in the skin, and we have a tendency to get rid of the skin. So I don't do that. I keep the skin. So basically, let me tell you what I had. I have 3 small carrots. I cut them up. I also have like 4 beets. 4 beets. I also have 1, 2, 3, 6 radish, 4 leaves of kale, and a couple pieces of parsley, and 3 pieces of cilantro. And I also want to use 1 piece of turmeric, 1 lemon, and a piece of aloes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, this is gonna be a batch I'm doing, but right now I'm only gonna be mixing to fold the juicer, the mixer. Okay, so yes guys, you see up in, you see that this help build your blood. Okay, but guys, before you use this product, please speak to your doctor and make sure your doctor give you the right way to proceed. Okay, I'm not a doctor. I'm just a person who loves to use herb, who loves to make juice, and the result from these juice make me feel strong, make me feel healthy, make me feel like running, make me feel like, you know, I still can run. You make your body feel like you're a teenager. This is what these things do for me. So I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of recipe that I use to keep my body form, to make me able to run, make me able to exercise, make my bones them no pain in the knees, no pain in the back. Okay? So I'm just sharing this recipe with you guys. So we add 2 beets, 3 radish, 2 carrots, and with the kale we add 3 pieces of kale, 3 pieces of kale in this. I'm sure everything will able to blend, but for right now, and then we're gonna squeeze the lemon. So we're gonna just use this, blend it, and we're gonna just keep adding just to see how much we can get. But this is a very strong booster, guys. You have pain in your body, you need your system to clean out. This is the product you need right here. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. I'm sorry for this. How I'm sitting, I'm not seeing, I'm not really seeing. All right, so now let's add a cup of water to this. Only a cup of water for now. Okay? And let's just blend this. And when we blend this, what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep adding. So let's see what's going on here now. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, guys. It ain't cost you anything. Give the video a thumbs up. Alright. So what we're going to do, we're going to push this down. Okay. And we're going to add a more beets. Okay guys, with this recipe. If you really want, you ain't got to make it as a juicer. You could make it as something like you can eat. You see, so if you ain't want to drink it, you could add it to your meal, or you can just eat it, take a spoonful every morning before you leave your home, so that give you that help boost your body, give your body that boost, that extra strength. So what we have going on here now, what I'm doing, I'm just trying to get as much blend as I want. Then I'm gonna add the aloe. Okay, so you ain't have to. Okay guys, so all right, so let me add the aloe. And guys, again, I'm not gonna be throwing away the skin of the aloe either. Okay, I'm gonna just cut them in pieces. You see these slices of aloe? I'm gonna just put them in there. I'm not cutting the skin. For what I've experienced and what I've learned, I realize a lot of the benefit is in these kind of skin. So you see, I put 5 pieces of half inch slice, 5 pieces into the, all right, so now I add 1 cup of water. So now I'm going to add half cup of water now. Okay, okay. Guys, it's really thick. So like, as I was saying, like this, like the thickness, the texture of this, you can just eat it. You can store it in the refrigerator and you can just eat it every morning. Or you can use it as a juice, a juicer, because this is a real powerful drink. So now we add 2 cups of water, right? So the recipe, we add 3 beets, 3 leaves of spinach, 3 pieces of parsley, 3 pieces of cilantro, half a lemon for this batch, half of lemon, 1 piece of turmeric, and 5 slices of half-inch pieces of aloe. Okay, guys, you guys have no idea of the powerhouse that's in this thing. So let's give it this final beat down. is really bad, but the benefit, what we notice, anything that does not taste right is good. Because you got to understand there's a lot of sugar added to change, make things taste how you want it to taste. So to me, it's really defeating the purpose. So guys, let's see what's going on here. It's very thick, but you could always add more water as you please. So look at this, guys. Yeah. With this, you have all the skin inside. So this have all the benefit that's it need. Because the skin, you could drink it, you're gonna be tasting like fiber, the fiber from the skin while you're drinking it. But that's help build your body. That's help keep your system right. Okay? So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this video motivates someone to start building their body the natural way. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, don't forget, please like, subscribe, and share. I truly appreciate this. All right? Peace.